Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can track Amazon orders easily. So you only need a tracking number. Even if you are not the one who bought the item, you can still track it using the tracking number. And in this video I'm gonna be showing you step by step on how you can do that. Now the first thing you need to do, guys, is to copy the tracking number. Or if you are not the one who purchased the item on Amazon, just tell your friend or whatever like person who is sending the product to you, tell them like to give you the tracking number so that you can track that order until it arrives in your house. Now if you are the one who purchased this item on Amazon, you want to click on orders in the top right, returns and orders, and you will find there the order, and then click on like copy the tracking number. You want to copy that tracking number, and after that, guys, you want to go to this website. It's called Parcels. Like a lot of people go to other websites, but it doesn't work. It doesn't track Amazon orders. The only website that tracks Amazon orders is Parcels. It's called Parcels Tracking. Okay, yeah, this is it's called Parcels Tracking, and this is the website. Or you just have to enter here global package tracking, and you want to click the first website, and you want to enter here the tracking number. As you can see, like this is the website, this is how it looks. Okay, now you just want to enter here the tracking number. As you can see, I'm going to enter the tracking number right now, and as you can see here, you will find the item, like you will find the information about the item, where the item is right now. As you can see, it's attempted delivery abroad, and here it's yeah, you can see everything here. As you can see, Chicago International Distribution Center, United States, and you will find this. You will find all the information about the item, and then just wait for it. Okay, wait for it until it updates every 3 days. The tracking number updates. Or if you are just like purchasing in the same day, like if you are using fast shipping on Amazon, you will find everything here every 2 hours or 3 hours. Okay, so I hope this video helped you. Please drop a like if this video helped you. If you need any help, click the video on the screen. It will show you more options to track Amazon order on on this website. Okay, see you guys next